Alright, what's up guys? Nick here again with Fat Make Build Cook. Today I'm going to be smoking some pork steaks and a beef chuck and some bratwurst. I know it's kind of a lot, but I just figure I got the stuff to cook, and I got the new smoker done. The only thing I've cooked on it so far was a deep dish pizza, which is kind of weak, so figured I'd actually put it to the meat test and see what we can't make happen. Let's check it out. Alright, here's the beef chuck. It's from Cub Foods here. Looks like it's choice beef. 12 bucks. Got this pork shoulder blade butt roast that I also got from Cub Foods. This guy I'm going to slice up though into some nice thick steaks. I'm going to be putting on some Killer Hogs Texas brisket rub, Killer Hogs AP seasoning, and the barbecue rub. It's going to give it a phenomenal bark. And for the pork butt steaks, I'm going to be doing some Killer Hogs AP, which is the salt, pepper, garlic seasoning. And this stuff that a friend of mine at work gave me. Aw, shit. It's supposed to have some heat to it. Cut right alongside it. I'd say those are about 2 inches thick. Alright, I've decided one of these is going to get some of this aw shit all up on there, along with some AP seasoning. And then the other one's going to be AP seasoning and the Texas brisket rub with a little bit of the barbecue rub. And now for the beef. Getting some cherry up in there. Already climbing. Once we get up to about the 250 area, I'm going to throw these on, and that's where we're going to try to maintain our temp. Might even do 300 just to speed it along since it's a weeknight. Alright, got this guy preheated pretty decent. About 350 degrees actually. We're going to put these guys on here. Pork steaks are going. Nope, we're going to go thick end towards. Alright, it's been an hour. Let's see what these look like. I'm starting to get a little bit of color. Oh yeah. You know what? Got to show you guys that. Pull out the grates. Oh wow, those are definitely looking good. Alright. Oh yeah. Smells delicious. Gonna throw a couple of these brats on the grill as well because they're freaking phenomenal, and they're gonna be a nice little snack while I'm waiting for everything else to get done. Maple sausage with apples and wild rice from McDonald's Meats in Clearwater, Minnesota. Delicious. Alright, gonna get a little glaze going on here. Gonna use some generic steak sauce, some hoisin, Worcestershire, some raw honey, some pure maple syrup from Hamel, Minnesota, and some butter. Plus I'm going to throw some seasoning up in there, probably a little bit more of that brisket rub, or brisket seasoning, because I think that'll add a nice little crunch to this, and I'm going to go out there and mop these guys. Alright, let's check them out. Looking good. been just over 2 hours. Yep, still a little firm. Oh man, starting to develop that crust there. It smells really good. We're gonna hit that. Put a little bit on the that beef chuck. It's looking good sitting underneath that pork. But why not give it a little juice? Them sausages look pretty darn good right now too. Get ready to pull those guys off. Alright, back on for another hour. Alright, just pulled these sausages off the smoker. Let's see what these things look like after they're cut up. Oh, those are really good. Alright, time to see what these are looking like. It's been almost 4 hours. Oh man. Sorry for the bad light and the shitty shot. I'm just gonna get these guys basted one last time. I know they're damn near there. Wow. Alright, it's been resting for about 15 minutes. Maybe more like 20 actually. But wow. Look at those pieces. Crazy how good this is. Just a pile of beef chuck. Alright, now it's time to check out one of these pork steaks. See what we got. Old pork is made from. So it's nice and fatty. It's got a ton of meat on there. I mean, it's pretty much pure meat besides the cut with the bone in it. Look at that. Wow. Pulls apart super good. Oh man. That's good. Alright, sweet. Well, got the chuck and the pork steaks done here. As you can see down on this cutting board, it's just a pile of meat. This chuck steak is unreal. Wow. Just amazing flavor. I mean, the thing I love about a chuck is it's got a really good texture. And then that pork. I mean, look at that ring. Get you some glisten off the light. It is super juicy, super barky. Phenomenal flavor. I couldn't be happier with this. And just the contrast between this and that chuck is the tenderness. This pork is so tender. You guys definitely gotta try this one, for sure. Some good seasoning, some okay meat, and a little bit of time can really make some good stuff.